Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can generate video with OpenAI Sora. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to a website called Sora.com. Just go here. Now on Sora.com, you'll be prompted with a website like this. See, you can skip this if you'd want. And then you can see this is how Sora works, right? And in this, you see this is connected to your ChatGPT account, right? And the way you can generate a video is that you'll have to describe your video here, right? And then there's a couple of options like the screen resolution, the 480p, how long it is, what kind of variation it is, so how much video should it generate. But you can see, so for example, if I want to generate something called a Minecraft video, right? So Minecraft video with gameplay. I just have to type in a prompt like this and then I just have to enter it in like this. But you can see right now I need to upgrade my plan, right? So if I want to upgrade my plan, it'll be like this. It'll either be ChatGPT Plus for around $20 per month or ChatGPT Pro for around $200 per month. And you can see all of these has its plus and minuses. For $20 per month, you can up to 50 videos. But if you have one Pro, you can get up to 500 videos with 10,000 credits. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.